Let's make a delicious white bean caprese salad with a flavor-packed roasted garlic balsamic dressing by Colina Domus. So simple to make. Rinse your white kidney beans, then place them in a large bowl. Next, you'll want to prep your cherry tomatoes, cut them in half, use some different colors as long as you got 2 cups, and then you'll want to add them to your kidney beans. Next, we'll add some delicious Thai basil or regular basil, and a neat trick for this, you want to stack your clean basil leaves together, lay them flat, and then roll them really tight, and then you'll be able to slice some really thin slices. Add them to the bowl with the rest of the ingredients, and then slice your bocconcini balls in half so that they're the same size as the tomatoes. Then, add them to the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Finally, we'll add the star of the show, our roasted garlic balsamic dressing, drizzling it into the bowl over the ingredients, and then tossing everything gently so that everything is covered. Add some flaky salt to taste, and then toss before plating in your serving bowl. Garnish with more bocconcini balls, and find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Make sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on delicious Colina Domus roasted garlic balsamic and their other products. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.